Hi everyone, we are here driving in Beer Country, USA. We're seeing a lot of different wildlife again. So, come with us. Hi Frances. Hi kids at the back. Dixie, Ina, Happy, Chang. Beer Country, USA. Drive through wildlife park. There's one, guys. What's this? Wait, what's this one? Elk. Hi, Elkie. Elkie. You see, guys? Oh my God.
Very majestic.
Did you see Ina?
Yeah, I took a picture.
Okay, let's go.
Okay na, Nay.
Let's go. Stop, Bin.
Ako mag-drive camping.
You imagine they will be like,
You don't need.
give me food.
Dako ni.
There's a family of elk, guys, over there. How many they are? One. Oh my God.
Dako ni.
What happened if we open the window?
Just
Do they
stop
bite?
being galit.
As long as it's not the bear.
Oh, bear is.
You see the bear?
Oh, he's walking. Come to us. Ina wants to feed you.
They're actually kind of big.
No, I don't want to keep it right up with you.
No, it's just kidding.
Will that bite? Tita Bin, do that bite?
No. Oh, okay, let's go.
Ina, there's more
Next
on your
we're
side
seeing, guys, is reindeer. No, I will take a video of this.
Ina, look in your side. Oh my God.
Stop being, stop being.
They're getting wet.
They're so cute.
Oh, the other one's scared.
No, sino na stop. Diri, kibali diri ako para side. No? Like there's 5 of them there.
They looks the same.
Yan na yun.
So cute.
So do they shed?
You love that one.
Looks like they shed during summer. So they're gonna have like a winter coat.
Hi, reindeer. Okay, let's go.
Let's go now.
Ang isa ra ka anggol bin amo naman sa kan.
Ano yung angkol?
Anggol.
Ay,
Mo ga nang bin closer.
oh, they're so cute. They look like puppies. Uy, Ina.
We cannot even open our windows, Shang.
It's okay.
It's because this is wildlife.
Oh my God.
Bin,
they're
stop.
cute. Oh.
Why my camera is...
They're so cute. Oh my God. Bark lagi si Happy eh.
Okay.
Hala, what's next? Oh my God. Guess. The sheep.
Oh yeah, in there.
Those are bighorn sheep.
Tara. Maybe that's a baby. Yeah,
Yeah, mountain goat. Ooh, we're gonna see mountain lions.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at
Oh my gosh. I zoom in. Good.
They're so cute.
I
The
thought
mountain
it
goat
was
is in
for
top.
18 hours.
So this is a sheep.
I think that's
Yeah, bighorn sheep.
yeah, that's one I don't like.
Bighorn sheep.
Look at that
thought it
one.
was dead. I thought
Ina, look at the bighorn sheep. Can you see it?
yeah. I thought the
Oh my
one
God,
that
wait,
laying
Bin, he's
down
coming.
was dead.
It's coming toward us.
Yeah, that's fine.
I thought the one that's laying down is dead. I thought it the one that's
Ina,
laying down
take
is
a
dead.
video the one in the road. Oh my God, he's coming.
Makita niyo mo yan.
Come closer. Okay.
That's what.
Ito ang sheep, ano, mountain goat sa kwan.
Bye.
Imagine it's a boat.
Next is mountain goat. Gamay.
Ina, look at the mountain goat. It's so big.
Stop here, a good bin.
No, lie in the middle so that
Yeah,
face
daka
us.
nakita. Wait, tas mo tuntun gani ako mahadlok ako kung basta hindi mo duyog. Doon.
I did. You're so
Ina,
famous.
look at the goat.
You're so famous.
Ina, can you see the goat? Look. Blair, can you see it, Blair?
Like, smile raban.
Gani.
Stop, John.
Are you smiling? Oh, he's smiling at Ina.
Okay, move.
Smiling at Ina, Blair. Smiling at you, Blair. Okay, the next one is...
Di, makakita pa tato. Kuan.
Yeah.
What is that? I think.
Oh, they're in the road. Oh, there's a baby. Oh, there's a baby.
Oh, I think the mountain golden is one of the three.
Look at the baby, Ina. Can you see the baby? It's coming towards us. Oh my
I
god.
think the mountain golden is one of three because it was following. The head was following the car.
But it's
Our
just a
car.
baby. Look.
The
Blair.
mountain goat was following our car. The head will keep following the car.
Yeah, kamusta?
I think it didn't want us to go.
Ina, can you see the baby right now?
Yeah, I'm taking out.
It's right here, Blair. No, it's so cute. It's so cute.
Come now. Now. That's a mountain goat, guys.
No,
Yeah,
it's a sheep.
it's a sheep.
In there, the baby one. Meron na yung cold bed.
Is that a mountain goat?
It's a sheep.
No, it's the... No, ano tama ba?
No, the mountain goat didn't
I don't know.
want us to go away.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's two babies.
There are three.
What is that? To go back in
Ina, if you look in your side,
Why
she's gonna
did
lie.
the other one, dead one, like the other one that's laying down, the undocked one?
Look on your side.
Close the window. He said keep all the windows.
Can you see it, Ina?
Ahing tawid ang beer.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god.
Di man ko bin. Sila street na dito.
Dili ka pong car na.
Muffled sheep.
After this, it will be,
No, it's
Kiki will be
different.
scared if Kiki will come, right?
Diyan ba sa ilo eh.
Tita Ben, Kiki might get scared if he will come, right? Yeah.
Oh, they're just hiding. Right there, oh.
They are resting.
Oh, I see it.
They're hiding a little bit.
How many there are?
It
Three.
kind of looks
Three
like
of
it's
them.
melon the butt.
Come on out.
No, that's a sheep.
Come on out.
Is this a mountain sheep bed?
Temple stop.
Taas, dako na.
I-zoom na.
Dili bin, i-open dili sa kanina.
Okay na?
They're eating.
They're just relaxing right now.
It looks like the blonde bear looks like Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh? The poop? Winnie the poop.
Why does that black bear look like Winnie the Pooh?
Oh my God, he's
Wait,
looking
Ina,
at
you should
us.
go on sa bear. You should, ano pa?
Video.
Yeah, you should video it.
I already did. Then picture. After video, I did.
Bien, bien.
O, lagi, dyan na yun.
Kato diris.
Move slowly daw kay bears will move so I can't magpahin drive ko na.
Let's go look at Winnie the
There's a lot.
Pooh. It's Winnie the Pooh. It's
Oh
Winnie
my
the
God.
Pooh.
Oh my God, he's coming to
So
us.
cute.
Bin, stop. Oh my God, he's coming to us.
Oh my God, that's so
Oh my God, there's another one.
Oh.
There's a brown.
What? You know what? What do I
They
call
look
Winnie
like
the Pooh? You know what?
Ina, can you see it right there?
You know what I call Winnie the Pooh? You know what?
What?
Winnie the Pooh Pooh.
Yeah, Ina.
Oh, okay.
I like that they're not fighting.
Wait, what is that?
So they're not gonna attack the other
Lakaw na
animals.
bin, tara na bin kayo yung isa.
Wait, what is that? Wait, are they all blank? You imagine they look all blank? They're probably our friends.
Ooh, mountain lions is next.
Big guy.
Lions are next.
I
Wala
know.
Jawa, tag-abri nila ila window.
So di pa dyan.
Okay. Why are windows down?
Yeah,
It's okay.
there's one bin.
Oh, what that look like? Eggplant. It looks like Winnie the Pooh. I got it in my picture.
You got it, Mom?
Mommy, look!
you like it.
Look, that's Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah. Oh,
I
naku na
got
natin
Winnie the
sila.
Pooh.
No, Jong.
If they wanna go.
There's one
They're
over there.
delegating us.
Oh my.
That's why you have to.
That's why I said na paunahon nato
No,
sila.
just stay in the right.
Winnie the
Pauna-
Guys, we're holding up.
No.
Is it normal or is it? Why do it look
Kiara is the princess, the daughter.
Ina, you see?
Hi. Why do it look like the one that's from?
You did that face up. She's so shy.
She's very shy. Basta pa ilain.
Think to the
Yeah, na dito.
yeah,
Ato.
one of the
Bin
boys
stop.
went by.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so big.
They're actually kind of big.
Can we open? Kuya, may gyapon di magyapon siya maka.
I-open pa. Adjo, may gawas. Ano mo ba? Ako na makita mo yung...
That's so cute. Can bear fly? Can tiger fly?
They are resting.
Sleeping. Wait, there's bear walking downstairs.
Wait, is that a...
See it, eh? Tiger. Tiger? That's not a bear. No, sa ubos ng
Yeah, that's not temple stop.
taas dako na.
I-zoom na.
Dili bin i-open dili sa kanina.
Okay na?
They're eating.
They're just relaxing right now. Okay.
Oh, the baby, oh, what is that?
You just saw it, Ina?
Head
Oh, a thunder.
like it, Mom, like it.
Oh my god, they're actually fighting. Nanutod ako.
Oh,
They're just hiding. Right there, oh.
They are resting.
oh, I see it.
They're hiding a little bit.
How many there are?
It
Three.
kind of looks like
Three of
it's
them.
melon the butt.
Come on out.
No, that's a sheep.
Come on out.
Is this a mountain sheep? They're scratching its
That's so cute.
Gusto nyo mo doon?
Adja pag closer sa ila
I
kay
know, pero like mo, pantan ba? Nakamot ganan siya.
kay dili na makakuan kay gana mura ra ta nagkapura ra nagpared. Are you scared, Ina?
and then you when we done here you come back here.
The butt?
But that's so bad.
That's not nice.
Isad bino at sa kahoy.
Can I go back?
That's so lucky. They're so lucky.
It's better there because
That's better there.
Bin, ato pagsurod kay basi mula ka po sa ato tubangan. Don't go closer, Bin. Stop. Come on. Oh my God. Passing to us, guys. Crossing to us. Ah!
Right there, B.
Oh my God.
It's too late. I got a beer in my picture.
I got a lot.
Bin, stop. Stop, Bin. Hi.
Dili tada ka closer.
Did I see it right there?
Mas closer ka sa Asia.
Yeah, para please. Ay, Jai,
Uy, na, baby.
baby.
Wait, there's a baby!
There's a baby.
Where?
In there.
Oh, Robert is cold.
Okay, stop. You thought. Where?
Look on your on my side, look.
On your side?
Or is that a bear?
That's a bear.
But it has white.
I meant to go back in the flood. Maybe that's the grass.
Ina, mommy wants to go back.
It's gonna be in.
There's a lot of bears here.
I know.
I think this is my first time.
Bin, kay cute, Bin.
I already
Ina, move your...
It's like a human.
Big. Oh my God,
Oh, it's swimming!
Oh my God.
Ah! The bear is
My
swimming.
God is coming.
Oh my God. Just wait, Bin.
Are you gonna
Where,
splash
where,
Ina?
where? Yeah, just wait.
Oh, he's just gonna
Take a
chill.
picture then put a hot at it. On the ground.
Come on.
Look.
Get up here. Get up there.
It's coming.
Dana. No.
Doon na. Kung saan isang buhaton.
Oh, it's like slippery. Look, look, it's gonna go. You got this, boo. Boo. Woo!
Uy.
When it go up,
Yay! Okay, open the door. Tanaw gud sa akong body. Like, gaga kakuha na pagkatanaw.
Ang
Like,
Bin, sagdi dyan, Bin. Sagdi dyan ka nagbayad ako 80. Tapos mo cross pag gadyo diri sa ato. Ah. Okay, let's go na.
this is cool.
Bye, bear.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you